welcome back to our PKDK channel. We hope that you have enjoyed our previous videos, alright? Okay, I am PK and this is
PSK, the cool dude here.
Alright, we're going to make breakfast today, yeah? In our video, we're going to make breakfast. And our main ingredient is
Anda.
Ooh, anda, yes. Anda is in Punjabi or Hindi. And in English, we call it egg, right? We call it the egg. It's such a nutritious food, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, so I'm sure in all of your houses, you must be having eggs in your house. You consume eggs every day, yeah? It's very good for your health. Alright, I love it too. I consume it every day as well, you know? Okay.
Then you are called an eggaholic.
Eggaholic? Eggaholic, PSK?
Yes. Now, see.
Okay.
If a person who likes to work a lot is called a workaholic.
Yes.
A person who likes to shop a lot is called a shopaholic.
Yes.
So a person who likes to eat eggs must be called an eggaholic.
PSK,
Yes.
there is no such word. Anyway, come on, let's go and check the ingredients. Come on, PSK, let's go.
Eggaholic, eggaholic, eggaholic.
Hi, dearies. Okay, here are the ingredients. Okay, we'll need bread here. I've got 2 slices of bread. We're going to make breakfast for 2. Okay, so we have this. This is actually wholemeal bread, yeah. Okay, I'm using this here. Wholemeal bread, but of course you can use any bread that you want. Okay, then I've got some salt here. Okay, some salt. And our main ingredient, eggs. So 2 slices of bread, 2 eggs, 1 for each. And finally, water. Okay, we have some water. That's all.
Wait a minute.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3 ingredients only.
Yes, because it is the quick and simple way to make breakfast.
But where's the oil?
Oh no, we don't need oil for this. No oil at all. Healthy way. Quick, simple, healthy meal. Healthy breakfast.
The eggs look kind of dirty. I think we should wash the eggs. Come, let me tell you how to wash the eggs. You will be very proud with me.
Okay.
So first, you need some water and some salt. Mix it together in a bowl, and referring to the dragon fruit video, we wash the eggs with salt water to remove all pesticides.
Pesticides
Yes.
on an egg, PSK.
Yes.
Nobody uses pesticide on an egg. That is meant for fruits and vegetables.
Not again.
Anyway, the eggs, we don't need to wash the eggs because they are already coated to prevent the bacteria from going in. But if you want to wash, can. Okay, but then make sure you either put it in the fridge immediately or you cook it, use for cooking it lah. Okay, either you cook it. Alright? Okay.
So, what are the other ways of making eggs?
Other ways of making eggs. You can boil the eggs. Okay, common way you boil the eggs and then you can eat. Okay, or if you want to make
Scrambled eggs.
scrambled eggs, common, right? Kids love scrambled eggs. So
Yes.
you break it into a bowl, you beat it up. Okay, yes,
You beat the eggs?
to make scrambled egg you have to beat
Now
the
we
eggs
know
up.
why the eggs don't like you. You always beat the eggs.
Okay, I tell you what, come on, let's go and make our super duper easy breakfast.
Okay.
Come, PSK. Okay, we're going. Come, follow us into the kitchen. Okay, I have half a pot of water here. There you go. Alright, half a pot. Okay, I'm going to bring it to a boil. Alright, so I'm going to switch on the fire now. And I'm going to bring it to a boil, the water. Okay, you need boiled water. Okay, you need to boil the water first. Alright, okay, now come our ingredients. Yeah, so I've broken the egg just now. There were 2, so I've broken one up here in this bowl here, you see. Okay, so make sure the yolk is intact. Okay, 1 full yolk. There you go. So now our bread. Okay, what I'm going to do with the bread now is it's going to go into the toaster. Right, we're going to toast the bread. It tastes much nicer, yeah? Okay, it tastes nice. Okay, so there we go. We're going to toast our bread. Here. Okay, here you go. Chunk. Alright? Boiling. Okay, now I'm going to remove the cover, the lid, and put it aside. Okay, now we want the bubbles to settle down. Okay, want the bubbles to settle down. So I'm going to switch off the fire. There you go. Okay, we wait for it to settle down. There. Okay, now we're going to put in our first egg here. Okay, we have to put in actually very slowly and gently. Okay, we want the yolk to be intact. The yolk, right? You can see. So make sure it's intact. Nice. Okay, we wait for 5 seconds. Then we put the other egg in because we don't want them to join. Alright, you don't want them to join. There you go. Second egg coming in. Slowly too, slowly. Alright, there you go. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch on the fire for another 10 seconds. Okay, cover and switch on for another 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds off. Okay, now I'm going to wait for 3 minutes. Okay, we're going to leave it for 3 minutes. Alright, our 3 minutes is up. Let's open and see how it was there, sitting in here for the past 3 minutes. Okay, we have to split them up. So we use a chopstick and there we go. We just, yeah, you see, we just do this and they get split up nicely. Okay, now to remove the egg, it's better to get a kind of a sieve kind of ladle. Okay, like this. Wait, there. You see? Now we're going to scoop it out so the water can come out. Oops. Okay, it's stuck to the base. It's because the water was less. Yeah, this was a bigger egg. So make sure you put, depending on the size of your egg, you can put a bit more than half. There. Nice. Nice, right? Then remove the water. Here you go. Oops. Okay. Now, put it aside. Get another bowl or plate if you want. Okay, now take out the second one. Nice, right? Here you go. Okay. There. Okay, remove the water. Remove the excess water here. Okay, there. Nice. Here you go. Okay, put it carefully in the bowl. Carefully. There. Nice. Very nice. Okay, now let's, put it together. And now let's put it on the toasted bread. Remember the bread where we toasted just now? Yep. Okay, we just put it on the toast bread. That's it. Okay, we just put it on the toast bread. There. Nice. Okay, simple and nice. Okay, if you're rushing for work, best. Okay, or you want best way to do it, or for your kids. Okay, going to school. Okay, if you're late, okay, the day that sometimes you get up late, you can do this method, right? You can use this way. There you go. Nice, right? Okay, now we add a little salt. Okay, we sprinkle some salt on it for the flavor. Salt. There you just sprinkle on both the eggs. Just sprinkle how much you want, okay, to consume. How much you want to eat. Okay, now the second one. Alright, done. There you go. Nice. Now let's eat. Come on. Okay guys, this is the first egg that was left in the boiled water for 3 minutes. For 3 minutes. Okay, can't wait to cut it. Okay, see, it is soft here. It is soft.
Wow. Just look at the yolk oozing out. Really yummylicious.
Yeah, looks good, yeah. Wow. Alright. Okay, PSK, let's get the second egg.
Alright, cool.
Okay, now this is the second egg. Okay, this second egg was left for 4 minutes. Okay, let me cut. Yeah, let me cut. You can see the difference in the texture of the yolk. You see the texture here?
It doesn't ooze out like the first one.
Yes, because it was left for 4 minutes, so you can see the difference here. Okay, alright. Hi. Okay, now it's the eating time.
Yes, my favorite time.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, since my yolk is liquidy, okay, liquidy kind, liquidy. Okay, so what I'm going to use a fork and a knife. Okay, let's cut. Okay, cut a piece of the bread first. Chang chang here. Okay, then what you do? Poke it in. And you go dipping it in, dip, 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 and oh, da, 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 da. Mouth watering, liquid mouth watering.
Yes, I can agree.
PSK?
Alright, so for my method, I would suggest using this method for us teens and youngsters. Alright, so you can see my plate, right? So what I have done with the egg is I have cut the egg and moved it aside so that I can fold the bread easily. Let me fold the bread. There, here. Alright, so now I'm going to take a big bite out of this slice of bread.
How is it, PSK?
Wait, I'm still enjoying it. So, the bread that has been toasted just now gives the whole meal an extra crunch, while the salt that has been sprinkled on top of the egg gives it some extra flavor.
Okay, so you can try any of our method here.
Yes.
Okay? Alright, anyway, hope you enjoyed our video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, alright? Subscribe and hit the bell.
Alright, and also do not forget to like the video.
Okay? Alright. So we'll see you all in our next video. Meantime, don't forget to say hi to us. Hi everyone. Have a nice day.
Yes.
Bye.